Hey YouTube, so this video is going to be a little different because I'm not actually going to demonstrate how to do anything. What I am going to do is talk about, this is a control arm for Chevy Venture old Silhouette, Pontiac, Montana, fill in the blank, the 97 through 2004 models, and I'm sure if you looked it up, probably some other vehicles too. So this is the frame, it's been pulled down. And here is the incumbent control arm. As you can see, it's quite rusty, and the vehicle has round numbers about 215,000 miles on it, and it's 15 years old. And I thought the old, well, while I have it down, and that the boot over here is pretty torn and nasty. The ball joint inside is still really good, though. I don't have any strange tire wear or anything like that. I would move over and I would buy a new set of control arms, and these are from a very reputable manufacturer, Moog. And the one thing though is I am quite disappointed because whoever they have putting them together messed up. Let me show you. So here is where a pin goes through here and the control arm moves up and down like this. It just so happens that I've changed out bushings in years gone past when control arms weren't widely available online and in the auto parts store were quite expensive. But the pancake bushing up here, if you can see this, the way these work is there is a web of material of the rubber that goes across here. And the idea is that when this moves like this on the vehicle, that web of material twists. Okay? And any person can look at this and say, well, this won't twist, it will simply tear. I did did purchase a minivan, another GM minivan a few years ago, and I noticed that someone had done a repair on the control arms for that car, and they put new bushings on. The challenge is they put the web in not like this, but like this, and they looked quite new and had already ripped through. This control arm bushing should be where the web of material is right in line with the pivot point on the other part of the control arm. And I'm just extraordinarily disappointed right now. It just seems like the state of even good quality, supposedly quality brand aftermarket auto parts just has taken a dump. I have some other examples. Don't want to bore you with them, but if you're watching this, keep in mind that if you're pounding in a bushing or you're buying a control arm, that web of material needs to be in line with that pivot. And in fact, on this old, I even did the repair before. There's a little on the original equipment control arms. There was a little pointer arrow that would point to exactly where a spot on the bushing needed to line up to, and of course, it made it so that that web of material lines up with this. So, just thought I'd share that. Anybody questioning if you get some aftermarket parts and they're right, you know, take a second, review it. Use your common sense. And that's all I got, YouTube. Have a great day.